So, gone nowhere. Let's have some fun. If you like my creation of what you seen in this video on my channel, feel free and share. And if you prefer, you can subscribe. So, let's create. So, I pretty much got half a potato because I don't want to eat too much starchy food, but if you're going to do a hash, you have to have potatoes. I cut in this side here just to make it easy to manage, see? And now, put in a little pot and let them boil. So it's acting out. You put a little bit of water from the faucet. The thing goes down. Put a little spoon there. You can lower the heat a little bit, a tiny bit. You know, like a couple notches below high. Neutralize the craziness that's going on of the foam trying to get out, mess with you. So let me show you some of the ingredients I'm going to be using to prepare this wild boar hash. The potatoes that's been cooking first before I transfer them here and do my magic. I have some ham, some bacon. I'm going to use green onions. I prefer them over the regular onions. That's a personal preference. You can use regular onions. And I got some wild boar. And this one I already marinated a couple days ago. I cooked some breakfast sausages, and I have a little bit left. So I decided to do a hash and complement it with the two pork ingredients. So I had the wild boar, the pork ingredients, the onions, and the potatoes. And how I marinate this, click the title of this video, and I'm going to have a link to how I prepare the wild boar breakfast sausage. And at the very minimum, you can see how I marinate that and put it overnight. It's very simple, but it's very delicious. So I have a pan, which I have a high heat because I'm heating this nicely. You can use some oil. I'm going to use some butter, and I'm going to go with the ghee because it's clear. But you can use any type. But I'm going with the clear, clean butter. You can use oil once again. You let this melt. Come on, baby. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to darken these potatoes. I'm going to darken pretty nicely. Got this a high heat. So it took a darkened color. I'm going to put them in another container for now. I don't have to do that, but I will. Because I'm going to work the meat, and I want to do it alone because I want to show you how I do that. So I'm going to put some of the ham, You notice not a lot, just a little bit. Put it up. Going to add some of the bacon. Practically cooking the cousins, the wild boar and the pork, to add this nice combination of flavors. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the wild boar. And I don't have enough to do something like more breakfast sausages because I use most of it for that. But I have enough to do a nice hash. And by combining with a little bit of the other pork, it complements not just the flavor but the amount. You like hash, huh? I do. And you notice I didn't put salt, pepper, anything because I already, as I stated earlier, marinated this wild boar. And once again, clicking the title of this video, and it's going to take you to a link of how I marinated the wild boar, and in addition to that, how I created some nice looking delicious breakfast sausages. Yeah. Going to add some of the onion. And the potatoes. And you could have cut them a little bit bigger. I didn't. That looking pretty. And you continue doing this until it's cooked to your liking. You want a little bit darker, you leave it here a little bit longer. I have the heat, by the way, couple notches above medium. But you can have it at high. You want a little bit more burn. For a nice brunch, breakfast, full of protein, ready to go, huh?